So in the last tutorial, we have this basic playground with two simple agents compete with each other to reach the goal point. Uh, and as you may still remember, the agent is only rewarded with a positive number 100 when the agent has reached the target. So which means the reward function is very sparse. We call this kind of reward function as if so the reward actually. So in some other cases, you may want to have a dense reward function so that at each step there will be a smaller reward that get the agent towards towards the winning, towards the big final reward. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to have dense reward function with many off-the-shelf options provided in Arena Building Toolkit. So let's first start with this example. And in this example, let's go to the basic agent and see here you got these reward function options. So see the first one is reward distance to target, which means that if you check this box, the agent will be rewarded with a dense reward based on the distance to the target. So you also need to assign an object to this target reference. Say we assign this goal to this target. And also note that since we are trying to use dense reward function at the agent level, the reward scheme of this agent is no longer NL, which means non-learnable. It now becomes isolated, which means that this dense reward function is not actually related to the action of the other agent. Now we should be having this dense reward function in the game. Let's see. Okay, now here in the UI displayed, we call this UI percentage bar. This will be introduced in another tutorial. So this ER represents episode reward. So as you can see here, the episode reward here currently is 0% with the minimum value of 0 and the maximum value of 106. So if you move the agent towards the goal, you will see this episode reward actually goes up for 5%. So it is not going up very fast because you are using here reward scheme scale of 1. However, you are using a reward scheme scale of 100 for the glue manager, which means that the dense reward function will be manipulated with a coefficient of 1. However, the sparse reward function will be multiplied by a coefficient of 100. So let's see, we make this a little bit smaller, make it like 1, and then run the game again. Okay, now we can see if we move forward, the episode reward will increase faster, and when you get close to the target point, the episode reward almost get to 100%.